Quebec is already a top leader in the science industry, but we want to make sure that in the life sciences, we do even more. And that's the reason why we decided to launch a new strategy. And the new strategy allows us to invest in research, in innovation, but also in commercialization.
And the Quebec Life Sciences strategy is really focusing on making Quebec an attractive market to do business in. And it is addressing things like having a central Bureau of Innovation to all work together on developing products to meet important medical opportunities.
Merck has been injecting new investments into the Quebec life sciences ecosystem for the past 5 years or so, more than $100 million. More recently this year, we made a major announcement called Oncopole, $15 million, new investments.
We decided to establish our Center of Excellence for Clinical Research in Quebec. We definitely find in Quebec a very high level of quality for clinical research and fundamental research.
Quebec has a lot of strengths in life sciences. Precision medicine has really emerged as one of the most important strengths of Quebec. How, for example, we use genetics and pharmacogenomics to better prescribe drugs for patients with cardiovascular disease.
There's not a lot of places in the world that can say that they have done a vaccine from a computer to human trials in 8 months and now targeting 2 months.
We commissioned a study with an accounting firm. What we asked them to do was to take a look at 26 cities across the world, from Europe right through to Asia, right through to the United States. And what was clear at the end of that study was that Quebec, and I mean the province now, was a great place to do business, and Quebec City was a wonderful place to locate our new factory.
We had a lot of due diligence to select which place could be the best in the world. From the beginning, the Quebec organizations were very supportive.
When you bring people here, it's very easy to find a company. There is a very large reservoir of skills covering all aspects.
We're the largest by far of Charles River's facilities globally. We really benefit from a lower cost of labor, and we also benefit from Quebec's very robust credit program for research and development.
Quebec has been compared to Boston for the number of postgraduate students. There are more than 7 engineering schools, so there's a great talent pool that's available to us.
I think there are a lot of opportunities for biologists and chemists who want to work in drug discovery in Montreal, and those opportunities are increasing by the day.
If there's one area where I think Quebec can be among the very best, it is artificial intelligence, big data, and the marriage of that with clinical practice. As Merck, we're very excited about that.
Anyone has a good idea of developing a new drug will find a substantial amount of capital here. We have 4 companies right now in Quebec that have term sheets. These term sheets total $260 million. This is something we have not seen for years in Quebec and even in Canada.
There is a clear political will along with key investment tools in order for companies to come and invest in Quebec.